Introducing the iRobot Roomba 7 7150 Robot Vacuum, a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to transform your home maintenance routine. With its state-of-the-art features including Imprint Smart Mapping, advanced sensors, and seamless integration with iRobot Genius, this robotic vacuum offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual vacuuming and welcome to a spotless home effortlessly maintained by this intelligent cleaning companion. Whether you're a pet owner, a busy professional, or simply seeking a smarter way to clean, this robotic vacuum is the ultimate choice for modern households. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Imprint Smart Mapping. This robotic vacuum Imprint Smart Mapping is a cutting-edge feature that allows users to control and schedule cleaning sessions for specific rooms at preferred times. This technology also enables the device to store multiple maps, streamlining the cleaning process across different levels of your home. Customizable keep-out zones and clean zones further enhance user control, ensuring that the robot vacuum avoids designated areas while focusing on targeted cleaning zones. Number 2. Advanced Navigation and Sensors. Equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced sensors, this robotic vacuum navigates effortlessly under and around furniture, ensuring thorough cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Its edge cleaning feature ensures no dust or debris is left behind along walls and corners. The inclusion of Cliff Detect technology prevents the robot from tumbling down stairs, providing peace of mind to users worried about potential accidents. Number 3. iRobot Genius Integration. With the integration of iRobot Genius, this robotic vacuum offers unparalleled convenience. Users can now schedule cleaning sessions to coincide with their absence, ensuring a spotless home without interrupting daily routines. This intelligent feature ensures that cleaning occurs seamlessly, allowing users to return to a freshly cleaned environment without any hassle or inconvenience. Number 4. Versatile Cleaning Capabilities. This robotic vacuum is not just about convenience. It delivers exceptional cleaning performance. Its dirt detection sensor identifies heavily soiled areas, ensuring thorough cleaning where it's needed most. Moreover, its ability to pick up pet hair makes it an ideal choice for households with furry companions. The robot's multi-floor mapping capability ensures efficient cleaning across different floor types, from hardwood to carpet. Number 5. Compact and Stylish Design. This robotic vacuum boasts a compact and sleek design. Its graphite color adds a touch of sophistication to any living space, seamlessly blending in with various interior styles. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13.34 inches length by 13.34 inches width by 3.4 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The iRobot Roomba 7 7150 Robot Vacuum is more than just a cleaning device. It's a game-changer in home maintenance. With its cutting-edge features, compact design, and exceptional cleaning performance, this robotic vacuum sets a new standard for automated cleaning solutions. Whether it's mapping out specific cleaning zones, navigating effortlessly around obstacles, or seamlessly integrating into your daily routine with iRobot Genius, this robot vacuum delivers on its promise of convenience and efficiency. Investing in this robotic vacuum means investing in a cleaner, more comfortable living environment without sacrificing precious time or effort. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.